Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're live ready. Start your live and name it so viewers know the topic. Once the live preview appears, tap the sticker's icon at the top. This exposes poll, Q&A, gift, countdown, and other overlays. Choose the sticker you want and drag it to a clear part of the screen where it won't block important visuals. Make sure text and buttons remain readable. This reduces accidental taps and keeps engagement high as viewers join in. Once a sticker is placed, customize its options. Set poll choices, write a clear cue and a prompt, or set a countdown time depending on your goal. You can add more than one sticker, but make sure they don't overlap. Keep spacing so each interaction is obvious. As viewers enter, call out how to use each sticker, say where to tap and what each result means, because clear instructions increase participation and prevent confusion during the live session. When you're finishing, remove or finalize stickers so results are visible before ending the live. This helps you capture engagement data. If a sticker doesn't respond, try closing and reopening the sticker's menu or briefly switching camera views, then reapply the sticker. This often resolves UI glitches. Make sure to save or screenshot poll and cue and responses for follow-up content and to thank participants. Keeping a record helps you iterate and improve your next live.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.